Oh, hi there. There's nothing like a warm fire in winter. It's beautiful. But you want to keep this heat indoors, so I'll show you how to seal your exterior doors so they're better insulated so you don't lose heat outside. So I'm just removing the old flaky seal with a razor blade, just being careful. This one's got a handle so it's safer. So you need to remove all the old seal. So over time this will just get brittle from the heat and the UV and the hot Australian summers. Just damage this sort of foam. So probably every 5 to 10 years it needs replacing. So I'm using the eucalyptus oil now to get rid of the residue. So there you have it. Bit of elbow grease and eucalyptus oil. Got rid of most of the residue out of here. So it's time to apply the new seal. Just got to clear up all the mess first. It's good that this Raven brand, the plastic and the cardboard in it are recyclable. It's good to see. So this is the one I've got to do the door insulation. It's a Raven brand, model RP61 in the grey. So basically this will stop the heat escaping to make it warmer in winter, cooler in summer, stop the wind coming in and stop insects coming in. See about a label up there. So the installation's pretty good. You just cut the length that you need, peel the backing off and stick it in. So it shouldn't take long to put it in at all. So there we have it. One packet will do one door, so the two sides and the top. So you just need a pair of scissors. If it's a new installation, you just got to clean it, even slight soapy water solution, but because I've taken out the old one, took a while to get rid of the old gunge left and goop left, so I used the eucalyptus oil. So let's get going. So basically the top and this side, I'm doing this surface that you can see. The hinge side, I'm going to do that surface, if it makes that sort of clear, like the edge, and the top and bottom will be this surface and this surface. Just do a little bit first, get started. So the top and the door handle side, it's the facing that you've done. The hinge side, you don't want this side, you want this side. So you can see one packet, I've only got this much left over, so one packet does one door. So when you first install it, you might just have to push the door a bit, just to compress the foam a little bit, because it'll be a bit tight. It might take a day or two to sort of run in. The foam will conform to the shape it needs to be. I've got my Aussie kookaburras there on the window, and I've got the door sealed now. So it's fitting a bit better now. After a day or two it'll run in a bit better as the insulation compresses to get used to the door. And the other thing I've got on the main door is this Raven weather strip here. So when you close the door, this little thing here pushes against it to make it seal, the rubber seals to the ground. So that's what you use for the bottom. So I've got the fur on the left, right and top, that weather strip at the bottom, and it's a bit low tech, but I've got my sausage for inside there as well. So with this good insulation, basically you'll use less electricity and gas for heating and less electricity for cooling in summer, so the house is sealed better. So there's another good job, saving on heating and cooling expenses and also saving resources for gas and electricity. So don't forget to like this video to support the channel, subscribe to ecopenny, check out the Facebook and Instagram. I'll catch you next time. Action. Oh, there's nothing like a warm fire in winter.